going to show you how to install Windows 11 without pen drive in Windows 10 PC. So let's start. First, we need ISO file of Windows 11. We download it from Microsoft official website. Here is Microsoft official website. After completely done download, I go my Windows 10 PC. This is my Windows 10 PC, and I see here 3 partitions. I right click my computer, then manage, then disk management. In disk management, in D type, I think and free some of space that I use Windows 11 installer. I free 8 GB and make it a separate partition. That in my case, my drive letter is Z. I go to Windows 11 ISO file location and rename and update format this drive. In my case, the drive letter is Z. I open my computer and go to the drive letter and rename the drive Windows 11 installer. I go to Windows 11 ISO location and right click and mount. After mount, I copy all the file and copy it Z drive. After successfully copy, we can reboot our computer in recovery mode. So that we want to go start menu, then setting. In setting tab, we can click update and security. In update and security, we can go recovery, then we can go recovery, then advanced startup, restart now. Now restart our computer in recovery mode. Our computer is start in recovery mode. I can choose the option troubleshooting. In troubleshooting, then advanced option, then command prompt. In command prompt section, and to see here all disk partition. So I want to go C drive, then command disk part. In disk part, we can see all drive letter. So command here list vol. Here F drive has Windows installer file. So I can go F drive, exit from here and go to F drive. Then type here setup for install Windows 11. You can see here Windows 11 setup startup. Then next, then install Here install Windows 11 Pro. Select. I think you can do from here. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video, please